Hello guys, welcome back to another video recap on Izingane Zesthembu. So guys, please do mind, we cannot post full episodes because due to copyright concerns, YouTube bans the entire channel or they just remove the video. So today we are recapping on Izingane Zesthembu episodes 8. Yes, in this episode we see Mpumelelo indeed went kubo Amahle ayongcela guys. I think before the real LOBOLO negotiations happened, umkhwenyana nabakhongi bakhe baqale bavele, bayocela. So bavelile indeed, bavela abakhongi bakampumelelo bafika kwaSbisi basho ukuthi sibone imbali la ekhaya and sizokwakha ubuhlobo obuhle. And so did the ladies come in. That's when the abakhongi had to now identify Izingane. That happens in Zulu customs. I'm not sure if it happens in all cultures, guys, when they pay mahadi. I don't know, but in Zulu customs, majority, imbali, Izingane, she comes with her sisters, and then abakhongi have to identify Izingane, guys. So indeed, they did do that, and guess what? Bakombe or wrong. Imagine, they pointed at the wrong one. They pointed at Amahle's sister, Nandisa. Yes, they pointed at Amahle's sister, Nandisa, and they got fined. I don't know how much it was that they got fined, but then bidding in, we saw that they paid 100 rand. Now guys, please, 100 rand. Sbindi, does he know what he's here to do? Uzohlala noma uzobenzani? 100 rand. Come on, intombintole, 100 rand. Like, no, I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed, guys. Please let me know, what are your thoughts? Because I'm not impressed at all. So here, the bakhongi, after they appointed the wrong person, Baba was like, it's okay, since you guys really pointed the wrong person, did you guys know her name? They said her name, they're like, okay. And then they unveiled the sister, only to find that it is the sister Nandisa. Guys, they failed this one dismally. So as we know that eventually they're gonna be charged a penalty, guys. Kubo Amahle, they mean business. Not them charging them 7,000 rand. Guys, no, abakhongi, they cried. They were like, no, you're tending to be too harsh on us, That's in it. And Amahle's grandfather then clarified that the reason they're charging them this much is because they arrived very late, 1 o'clock. Because Babakhongi bafika ngo 1. No, guys, this boy is playing. Guys, and I don't understand. But Amahle's family were regal enough. Maybe I have 5,000. But okay, we were thinking you guys would charge us 200 rand for penalties. Guys, literally, Amahla's family was giving aslalila, and then they went on to discuss how many cows they wanted. They said they wanted 6 walking cows and 4 cash cows. Okay, that is very hefty. One thing I don't understand is, why are they calling Mpumelelo's dad? Aksuye uzolobola. It's Mpumelelo coming to lobola. So why abafanele Mseleku? Like, why? I need some Mpumelelo who wanted a first wife, who's a virgin, Johnny, yada yada, what not. Now, how are we involved in his death inside the building? Johnny, I'm sure Eyako Lemfana gets Eyako. So why are we involved in other people? But guys, honestly, I feel like Mpumelelo is really taking chances, and I'm really curious to see where this ends up, where this lands, guys, because this is not the one. But anyways, guys, please do let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts, and please be kind. Until next time, till I drop another video. Be well.